That got me right
hurt.
back.
Yeah, that took a good one. Ouch.
All right, we gotta go. Oh boy, yeah, we lost the windshield.
It was Helen. While I can see him from here, and I have dents in my car.
I see they're on lighter colors too.
No. Oh, so it's maybe just the hood?
Yeah, see it's here.
I have dents in my car.
For this one, sweetie, I'd call.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Look at these
Yeah,
dents.
right here.
Look at all these dents in the car. Okay, guys, so I have just filed a claim with State Farm. We had hail, and then there is what the glass broke and all that. So I don't know what to do. Oh, I do know what to do. So I filed a claim with State Farm, and let me show you the screen prints.
A couple more opportunities for big storms like we saw so far this afternoon. And these storms that came through produced some very large hail and some gusty winds. Here's a photo from Oswego. Jim Rook sent this picture, and look how large these hailstones were. Nearly 2 inches in diameter out there in Oswego. Same out towards Montgomery, larger than quarter-size hail there. And another picture from Oswego here. This is from Kevin Anderson, showing just how large some of those hailstones were. And we had
Dents. It started throughout the whole roof. So we got to get the roof replaced. This is bullshit.
Yeah. I mean, actually, I filed a few claims with your neighbors down the street on the roof side of things.
Oh, okay.
But is this a pretty brand new roof?
Yeah, this one's brand new.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are heading to get our first estimate, hopefully the only estimate, on the Mustang. I have tons of hail damage, so I want to get the hail damage repaired, and then this window has a little bitty crack in it, so I don't know if you fix a crack or you get a full new windshield. So either way it goes, here's the start of hail damage on the Mustang.
First come, first serve.
Okay.
It might be a couple months before I even see you again.
Okay.
But what we'll do is call you. I just want to make sure that I have the right phone numbers. I've got to.
The National Weather Service is warning northern Illinois residents to seek shelter Tuesday afternoon as a series of severe thunderstorms march across this area, with some producing baseball hail and winds in excess of 70 miles per hour.
Good morning, guys. Let me cut this air off because the last time I recorded, the air was right in back of the phone and all you can hear was zzz. Anyhow, good morning. Happy Monday. It's May 22nd. And I know you guys remember we had a huge hailstorm in Illinois, Aurora area, whatever. And my car got damaged really, really bad. So today is the day that I take my car in to get the hailstorm fixed. Dent pulled out. And honestly, I never thought this day would come. So I'm taking it in. I'm driving to the place. I don't even have a ride to work. It says 800 feet turn right. Oh man, I don't know. Anyway, I'll pull you back up. I just wanted to get the video started, let you know today is the day. All right guys, I'm here at the shop. Hey, car.
Really?
All right, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but that is the box. That's my windshield. That's my Ford windshield. It was delivered. He told me it was in, and now they're ready to put it on my car. This is the official picture before, and then I'm going to show you the after. Guys, we're in the rental. All this time. We're in the rental. I'm heading to work. It's late. It's been a morning. But they're officially working on the Mustang, pulling out the dents. I wish I had video to show you, but at least I can do the before and after and track this process. I filed the claim on 4/4. It is now 5/22. A month and so later. So everything's working out. My rental car was $1 a day. My plan only covered so much, so yeah, and a $50 deposit. So they hit my card for the $1 a day. I think it came to 70-some bucks total or something like that. All right, guys, I am returning this car because it had too many dings and it smelled like weed, and I just didn't want to be responsible for it. So I took it back, and now we are in the new car. All right, we are in the Jeep Compass. It looks like a very newer version. Very nice, modern, everything's electronic. I'll give you a... All right, guys. Today is May 31st. Tomorrow, June 1st. And the Mustang is finally ready. So I'm taking you with me. I'm so excited. It's been 2 months to fix my car from hail damage. I've been recording a little bit every day. And I feel so excited to get my car back. Just in time for summer. All right, guys, I am heading now to the place to return the rental truck. Got gas, no dents or anything. I'm gonna run into the car wash too. Just waiting on my ride. Car, here I come. Car, here I come.
Let me get to the front.
Okay. All right, guys, it's 11:11 on the dot, and my car is ready. I just paid the deductible of $500, and now he told me she should be ready. So let's check her out. I can't see any dents, but I don't have my glasses on. So let me get back to work, and we'll look at her when we get off. I don't have time from work yet still. Oh gosh, she's hot. Hey baby, mommy missed you. I can still smell that smell a little bit. Somebody's been way back in the seat too. She's back, guys. It's been 2 months. She's back. She's back. All right, guys, I'm back at home. Took off my work clothes. Let me turn the TV down. I got the Mustang back. I know you saw the video. So let me just recap. The hailstorm, I think, was 4/4, April 4th. It is now June 1st. Finally got my car fixed. I love the color. All the dents looks gone. Insurance covered everything. Rental. I paid a $500 deductible. Hail damage is real. But I'm so happy to have my car back. Now we can get back to enjoying a Mustang summer while I do my first shows and meetups and all the things I've been planning since I bought the car. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps someone else. And keep your car in the garage. Just saying.